to have some cobwebs. We're going to have do a photo shoot for the face skaters that we've got in some nice scenery. And yeah, make some big plans for next year, so I'm excited.
Going for a seafood.
The base of his spine.
Walking now.
I didn't pretend to be cool.
I know. Well, you're definitely cool. I'm alright now.
Yeah, no, about there, and I turned around and I put my ass on it.
No.
Oh my god, that's so refreshing.
It feels mint though.
Mate, look at the colour of my feet.
Just twisted my legs to that stick there. On the side of that rock, and it's attached to absolutely nothing.
It's not a camping